In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a VLOOKUP with Airtable. If you've used Excel or Google Sheets, you might know VLOOKUP as a way to pull matching information from another list. In Airtable, you achieve the same result using linked records and a lookup field. It's more visual, easier to maintain, and updates automatically as your data changes. First, open the Airtable base that contains the information you want to connect. You'll be working inside this base the whole time, so make sure you have edit access and can see the tables you need. You'll need two tables, one with your main data and another that holds the details you want to pull in. A common setup is orders as the main table and customers as the lookup table. If those tables are already in your base, great. Just identify which one holds the primary activity, like orders, and which one stores the reference details, like customer contact info. In your main table, add a new field by clicking the plus button at the far right of your fields. Choose Link to another record. This field creates the relationship between your main table and your lookup table, which is the foundation for bringing in related data. When prompted, select the second table that contains the information you want to display. Following our example, you'd link orders to customers. This tells Airtable where to look when you request related details. Now, start linking the records. In each row of your main table, click into the new linked record field and pick the matching record from the other table. For an order, that might be the customer's name or an internal customer ID. Consistency matters here. Link each row to the correct match so your results stay accurate. Next, add another new field in the main table with the plus button. This will be the field that actually shows the pulled value. Set the field type to lookup. This is Airtable's built-in way to display data from a linked table without copying it. Choose the linked record field you created a moment ago. This tells the lookup where to follow the connection. Then select the specific data you want to display from the linked table, such as email, phone number, address, or status. You can create multiple lookup fields if you need to show more than one piece of information. Lookups are read-only and update automatically whenever the source record changes. You'll now see the lookup results populate in your main table. Just like a traditional VLOOKUP, Airtable pulls the matching data from the related record, but with the added benefit of live, reliable links between tables. Thanks for watching.